If you notice that one of the tail lights on the liftgate are not working in your Kia Sportage, it may be time to replace the light. This is an LED light, so you cannot just replace the bulb. You'll have to replace the entire light assembly. Replacing this light is a relatively simple process that you can do right at home with a few basic tools. Start by opening the liftgate and observe the interior panel of the liftgate. You will see that there are two cutouts on the panel, right where the taillights are located. These are the covers for the taillights. Using a screwdriver or a trim removal tool, carefully remove the cover. Disconnect the wiring harness from the back of the taillight. Press the release tab and gently pull the connector away. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the 4 nuts on the light housing. Once the nuts are removed, close the liftgate and carefully pull the taillight assembly away from the liftgate. You might have to wiggle it a little if it's been in place for a while. Here is the close-up of the light. This is the part number. Before installing your new light, clean the mounting area with a damp cloth. Now take your new light assembly and carefully align it with the holes in the liftgate. Press it firmly into place. While holding the light, open the liftgate. Reinstall the nuts that hold the taillight in place. Tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten to avoid damage. Then reconnect the wiring harness. Simply align the connector with the socket on the new taillight and press it firmly until it clicks into place. Reinstall the light cover. Close the liftgate and make sure the light is flush with the surrounding panels and lights. Now that everything is secured, it's time to test the light. Turn on the lights using the stalk on the steering wheel. Also, press the brake pedal and confirm the brake light brightens. And that's how you replace the rear brake light on the liftgate in your Kia Sportage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Join for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.